Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will study carburetor components and their functions. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today we will study the carburetor. Everyone knows that carburetor is very useful in automobile sectors. First I will tell you the what does carburetor means. The carburetor carburetor or a carburetor is a device that mixes air or fuel for internal combustion engines in an appropriate air fuel ratio for combustion. The term is known as is sometimes colloquially shortened to carb in the UK and North America. The main carburetor means it's a device that mixes air or fuel for internal combustion engine in appropriate air fuel ratio for combustion, and it mainly uses in the UK and the North America. Firstly used in the UK and the North America. After that it get discovered in the many areas here. After that we will discuss here the carburetor components and their functions here. First we will discuss here float chamber. This is the float chamber here. This one is the float chamber here. From here I will tell you the what does float chamber means here. The float chamber or a combustion chamber is one of the important carburetor components. When a car is fully fueled, the float will automatically rise and will close fuel valve. Float work float work will follow the high and low fuel condition of car. Okay guys, after that I will tell you the lot about float chamber here. When there is too much gasoline, it causes flooding. The performance of float will not function properly. As the name implies, the combustion chamber functions as a room for combustion. It is positioned at the cylinder head. The combustion chamber will be a place of combustion that mixes fuel with compressed air from piston in the cylinder. Mainly the float chamber is that when the fuel gets fully high, then there will be flooding take place in the float chamber. This is known as float chamber here. After that I will tell here what does floater mean. This is the floater here, and this one is the floater here. This one is the floater here. Here we will discuss here the floater is important is another important component in car. Despite it being small in shape, to maintain the stability of its performance, the condition of the floater must be checked regularly. The floater will indeed work in high or low fuel conditions. It will not work when there is no too much fuel or flooding. With the presence of floater, the fuel condition will remain unstable. This floater will work only when the floater will indeed work in high or low fuel condition. Then the floater will work here. Okay, this is the floater here. Floater guys. Okay, after that we will discuss here the choke valve. This is known as these points are known as the choke valve here. We will discuss here the what does choke valve means here. The car must be made as comfortable as possible so that you and your family can carry out daily activities smoothly. The car must be kept stable and repaired immediately if there are any problems occurring. Routine maintenance is very important to do and must be done for internal and external components. This is known as the choke valve here. The choke valve is a carburetor component that can provide comfort in a car. The main function of choke valve is to add to the mixture in a car's fuel so that the vehicle will be easy to start and use for various daily activities. Means choke valve works on the field of to add the mixture in car's fuel so that the vehicle will easily start. Okay guys, this is the main point here, this one. Okay, we will moving for the next point here, throttle valve. this this is throttle valve here. This is the small valve point here, this one, the black one. This one is a throttle valve here. What does throttle valve means? Throttle valve becomes a carburetor component which is also often referred to as a piston valve. The throttle valve as a function as a regulator of how much or low the level of air mixture entering the car's combustion chamber. The throttle valve component will usually work alongside each other with the skip needle or the main jet. Okay guys, this is the working process of the throttle valve here. And another point also is there, when the throttle valve is open, the main jet will open too. The throttle valve and the main jet are also sometimes considered as one single unit. The throttle valve is one of the components that needs maintenance to ensure the stable condition of your car's performance. Means the throttle valve also is open and the main jet will also open here. Okay. After that we will talk here the main jet. This is the main jet here. From this only the fuel gets inlet here. The main jet or skip needle is a car component that functions to regulate how much fuel in a vehicle will be mixed or combined with a fuel with a clean air. The main jet has a conical shape, gets tapered downwards, allowing it to the lift when the car is pulled. Okay, when the car gets pulled, it gets worked here. If the mixture of the fuel and air gets bigger, the car will have faster performance. Although the main jet has a small form, its role is still important. To keep the performance of the main jet stable, you must carry out routine maintenance of the car, and this can be done by bringing the car to the car repair shop once a month. Okay, to maintenance of the car, we must have to take to repair a shop, we have to take to the shop. Jet needle, this is the jet needle here, this one is the jet needle here. Another important part of the carburetor is the jet needle. This is also the another part of the carburetor of the jet needle here. The jet needle component may not be known a lot by a noise. However, it's still important to check its condition. Through regular checks, the car's performance will work well. Okay, after that we will discuss here slow jet. This one is the slow jet here. Okay, the slow jet is a carburetor component useful for supplying clean fuel and air when the car is in idle position. If your car is an idle position, all you need to do is set the slow jet in the carburetor and reset the needle so that the performance can return to normal. Okay, this is known as the slow jet of the carburetor here. After that we will talk here the piston valve screw and pilot screw. This one is the piston valve here, and this point is also known as the piston screw here. Okay, the first we will talk here the piston valve screw and the pilot screw. In a carburetor have no less important function to support your car's performance. Okay, the piston valve screw and the pilot screw are indeed similar in shape to the slow jet but differ in terms of function or usability. And the main function, this is the main function of the carburetor here. This point is the main function here. Okay, the main function is also a less familiar carburetor component but has a very important role still. This component will work as the main transmitter of vehicle's fuel. The height of the main nozzle is also almost the same as the surface of the fuel, which is positioned in the floating basin. The main nozzle is usually found on a carburetor that has a venturi type. Means the main nozzle is usually found on the carburetor and it has a venturi type. Okay, What does venturi means? After that we will discuss here venturi. This point is known as venturi here. This one is the venturi here. We will discuss here what is the venturi here. The venturi is a narrow section that is positioned in the carburetor tube, and it functions to increase the speed of the airflow. With the presence of venturi, the car speed will be fast and different from other types of cars. Your car will run faster and can beat various types of other cars. Cars that have venturi can also be used for uphill road conditions because they can support the strength or speed of the car well. Okay guys, in this we can easily check through the venturi here. After that, how does the carburetor function work here? We will discuss here. In general, a car carburetor is useful for adjusting the amount of fuel and air mixture that enters the engine cylinder. Air bleeder is one of the parts in a carburetor that is used as a place for mixing fuel with air so that it can produce a smooth mist. The carburetor has a system that works in it all work side by side to allow the mix of fuel and air according to the needles of the engine, thereby making the car fuel more efficient. Okay, this is the process. This is the function of the car. How the carburetor function works here. Okay, how the carburetor works. After that, we will talk here the this function. After that, work means how it work the carburetor. Okay, that we will discuss here. Carburetors in cars and motorbikes are almost the same function. Car and motorbikes are the same working principle here, but there are several different systems in them. In, in a car, carburetor uses Bernoulli's work system or working principle. The system regulates the flow of fluid velocity. In general, the performance of a car carburetor is fairly simple. Means it's very fairly and simple also. Okay, guys. When the car engine is turned on, the piston will move back and forth. When the car is in reverse motion, the carburetor movement will suck the air in the front of the carburetor system, and this will automatically suck the fuel and air. The latter will also ignite and will cause combustion to appear in the engine room so that the piston is pushed. Okay, this is the working principle of the carburetor here. What I have read here. Okay, this is the working principle of the carburetor here. Okay, I will be going for the next slide here. If the gas is pressed here higher, the piston performance will be further boosted with a very important function carry for the carburetor is very necessary. The price of the car carburetor is not cheap, so maintenance be carried out regular. The car carburetors are not cheap, okay, and the maintenance must be carried out regularly. We have to do regularly on the basis of maintenance here, okay. For after that, we will discuss your carburetor care steps. Means how to care our carburetor. First, we have to clean the filter. Firstly, we have to clean the filters of it. For the first step, you can start by cleaning the air filter by removing this part that is attached to the carburetor hole. If it has been successfully removed, then you can clean it using a brush of air compressor. You can you can buy affordable air compressor equipment at authorized car repair shops. From the with the help of this material, you can easily clean easily clean your filter here. Okay, when the air filter on the carburetor is made of foam, then you can wash it thoroughly and make sure the air filter is dry before installing it back. By taking care of the air filter, the carburetor can work stably for a long time. Okay, if you wash your carburetor daily on the basis, when you go for washing and all these things, you can easily get carburetor can easily work stably for long time. Okay guys, and remove the carburetor components. If you want to wash your carburetor, we have to remove the carburetor components, then only we can easily clean our component here. You can start by opening the carburetor, and please remove the bolts attached to all the parts of the carburetor. To prevent the leaks, it is the recommended that you use the correct or appropriate keys to remove the various components of the carburetor. Prepare a container filled with a liquid gasoline to remove the carburetor components. Okay guys, with the help of liquid gasoline, you can easily uh, remove all the components. The components that must be removed include the bio needle, pilot jet, bio main jet, carburetor ball, and other components. Make sure you are careful when removing small parts or rubber protectors. If all the components come off, make sure to keep them in the same container so that it will be easier for you to put them back together. Means when we remove the components, you must have to know the where the components may be kept to know. After that, we will tell you the clean all the parts of the component carburetor here. If all the carburetor components are removed, and you can immediately clean all the parts of the carburetor using soft brush. Spray the air in the holes, high air strength. You can also use fine strand paper to clean any dirt stuck in the pilot jet. These dirty particles you can remove with the sandpaper to clean dirt stuck to the pilot jet. Okay. In the pilot jet section, the sandpapering process must be carried out slowly and carefully, because the sanding stand process can cause changes in the size of the sand of the sand of the sandpaper. If the sandpaper on the pilot jet is too hard, its shape may shrink. Okay. After that, we will talk here the wrapped bag. What does wrapped bag means? This is the wrapped bag here. What the man is working here. This is the process of wrapped bag here. When the cleaning process is complete and all the components are dry, then you have to assemble the various carburetor components to their original shape. Please restart the car engine and set the car to idle by adjusting the wind main jet by turning it clockwise. Okay. By doing the clockwise, you can easily clean all the components of the carburetor here. Next, turn it back according to the standard listed in the car engine by carrying out 4 carburetor maintenance process. The car's condition will remain stable and the car can be used in its best condition. Okay. Wheeling family, it is the XUV family. Okay guys, this is the XUV car's name. Okay, William family. We all know how handy it is to have our daily activities supported by car, be it going to work, by taking children to school, or carrying other necessities. All becomes almost hassle free to keep this convenience. Remember to always take care of your carburetor so that it is always optimal condition. Okay, we must be always be care on your carburetor so that your car engine may not be damaged very easily. And thank you so much friends, and don't forget to subscribe my video. If you like my video, please like and share with your friends. I will meet you on next lecture. After that, tata bye bye.